Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's snowing, so yeah, we have a huge problem. To get to the farm, they sold the combine that we wanted, so there should be prices from that we'll wait before ours, then we'll think about the new one. So let's come in here. Ooh, it's jellies. We have this here, we're gonna leave this. Let's start unstepping it, and they came and delivered some fuel, so let's just start the truck. I'm surprised it starts. If you can't, let's go. Let's go. Come. Dad left one tractor outside, he said. So, yeah. I don't think that will start, so let's go to the farm and check if everything's still alright. Oh no. But yeah, so we didn't put a gate yet now, so we just did this. And let's come, don't leave this. So let's get it open. Okay. Open. Guys, go, clean. Close. Okay, so now we have a big problem here. Let's open up so you can come. Let's hop in here. Now I have a big problem on our hands. How the hell can I start this in this snow in a 3-4-year-old tractor? So I don't think. So let's see if it still wants to fire up. Nope. Okay. So let's let it warm up. And put the beaches on so the battery can get warm. Come on. Yeah. We did need to do some preparations. We still need to get that, what is it called, the seed here. But the trailer came in today, so yeah. Look at the calendar. To wait a few months. I don't know why it puts us in August straight away, but so it is. So wait a minute, guys. So the big thing is we're gonna need to start this. Right? I don't know, but let's see if that still far up. Go. Let's hope. Battery is not obviously warm yet, so let's see again. No. going to flood it, so let's do it. We need to do an update on this, so we need to get it running. So click, we have everything ready, and there's also need to get an update. And the dealer also got a class in, but they didn't. That's sold on the day they got it, so I don't really know. So yeah. See, this Kenzie is actually at a very good price. So let's hope. Okay. Nope. No, it doesn't want to start. So let's see if we have a battery charger. Oh, there it is. So let's bring it. Open, close, put on, couple it. Okay. Wait a few minutes. And see if there's still a level of the engine of this, because it's not good if it's just on a spinning. So we should adjust the power like this. Let's see, it's almost over 2200 RPMs. So so let's calm down, and the update's finish also. So let's hope it starts. Okay. Finally start. Let's put it. What down? So the engine warm up, and there it goes. So now let's try it again. It makes like this. It's cold. So let's do this. Here. Let's go. I just need the RPMs. I know. There it goes again. So it does like it because we need to do it like every light is on 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's try this again. Put it in E. Okay. Let's open up. Just let it 10 second gear, put it in B. Okay, let's close up. And it goes again. Luckily we got it inside. So let's do the start up, go. Go, 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 go. Okay, put it in E. Okay. Okay, so it's good. It's good. And then it shuts off again. So I don't really know what to do now. So let's this thing has a lot of power, so let's couple the and then. So we need to leave it for a while. So I think we have a small tractor to pick up. At a shop. So we will be just starting this. And it up. So that's gonna warm up in here, and now this is gonna be a long episode, so we need to go. We have an hour that we struggled with. We need to go and go pick up. Okay. So go pick up that, and then this is gonna be a long episode, so or we will let the wipe drop us up. Yeah. We'll just park the truck in. Then let's park it here, and then we will leave that mag here because we're not driving on this snowy road back. There's no chance. Okay, park in. Okay, I'll see you guys when you're at the shop. The wife just dropped us off, so let's climb in. Go. I'm surprised this starts. Let's pull. Surprised that's not gonna start. We are going to take the forklift also. That's a trailer we need. That's all stuff. Okay, so let's get it. Let's go. Okay, it's just put that. It must be a neutral. Okay, we need that thing's gonna overheat if we. Go. Let's turn it. Let's do this. Because that thing is going to stall and stuff. So that's one. Yes, maybe we will buy this because looking at. I don't know if you want to buy an X9. It's still looking. Let's go. This thing want to come out. Just kind of. Let's go with some speed. Let's go. Okay, so. What is this thing? Yeah. So now we need to get this. Starting. Let's see if this will start. Installing it. So I'll track to this. Put it in neutral. And to go to the 5. And left down for 3 steps. Let's go. Let's get out of here. So yeah, and this is going long episode. Okay, guys. It's the house. It's not ours. Sorry. Yeah, so let's keep 51 to yeah. So yeah. No, it didn't. Scan here. I think it's go 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 go. Okay, open up here. Let's go. It's not gonna guide me. Okay, come. Push it. Stay. Okay, we leave this in gear. Neutral. Okay, so let's start on stepping this. Okay, so we need to. So let's start this. Oh damn. Building the clutch. This thing we just start. It runs on electricity, so lift this thing up. Gear 1. I wish they let's put on the lights. So, yeah, let's just need to examine this. This is a wonderful tractor. And yeah, so that's get the end of the episode, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And
Got money in my pocket, but I gotta hold up.
cheers.